So for this one, you have to remember this formula first. The factoring of the sum of the cube is the following. Using this, the first step will be this. So that turns into 1. If you want to use this formula now, you need a 2ab, right? But we have a minus 1ab if a was sine x squared and b was cosine x squared. In such cases, you make it. You want it, so you put it there, but you just make sure that you undo it somewhere else. Right? So I need a 2 sine squared x and cosine squared x. That's what I need. So I put it there, but I can't just add. So I gotta subtract the exact same amount, combine it with this, and we will get 3, right? 3 sine squared x and cosine squared x. Okay, so this here, the whole thing will just combine to this again, which is 1, right? That's fantastic. So it'll cancel out with this 1. So really we can say like sine squared x cosine squared x is equal to 0. So from it you have to solve all, you have to find all the values of x where sine x and cosine x is equal to 0. So where's sine of x equal to 0? Like 0, pi, 2 pi, right? And then cosine of x is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and so on, right? So you can do it that way. Right? So there's nothing wrong with that. So this is from 0 to pi, so it's just going to be 0, pi over 2, and pi. That's it. But there's also many other things you can do here. You can change one of this into like sine and solve it as a quadratic. Right? But you can also turn this, if you multiply both sides by 4, it's the same thing as 2 sine x cosine of x squared. So you get actually a sine 2x squared is equal to 0, which means sine of 2x is equal to 0. So if it's 2x, you gotta drop all the way up to here, right? It's 2 pi. So the answers are here, here, and here. So that's 0, pi, and 2 pi, right? That's what 2x is equal to. So what's x? Same answer, right?